Good morning, America. Hello to all my friends and pals here in sun and fun, Southern Maine, Portland, Maine. Look, I'm here on this Thursday morning, February 13th. It's about 9:20 in the morning, and Snowstorm Pax has just started to drop a little bit of snow on us here. It's just a small dusting, and I'm here in Back Bay on the pristine boulevard here. Some folks refer to Back Bay as nothing but a mud puddle, but they sure have done a good job developing the area. Baxter Boulevard has been here and has been developed. It's a beautiful part of Portland, and Back Bay looks much better, of course, at high tide than low tide. But schools, the local schools, Portland schools, are doing an early release. They're getting out at noontime. Of course, on the radio this morning, there was countless cancellations. Some schools are getting out at 11 here, 12 there. A lot of schools are just closed. But from what I can see, the snow isn't slushy. It's very cold, and there's a brisk breeze offshore here. So we're gonna just start off with Snowstorm Pax here with snow. I heard on the radio also this morning that some areas down in the Washington DC area are just inundated with ice and slush, and most of the airports are closed along that eastern seaboard. But right up here in sun and fun Portland, Maine, all is well currently. There's some folks even out getting some exercise. Traffic is going at a steady pace, but we're all ready up here in sun and fun Portland, Maine for Snowstorm Pax. I want to thank you for viewing my video. Please go ahead and leave me a comment at YouTube, and thank you very much. This is Pax+Back live from sun and fun Portland, Maine, Thursday, February 13th, welcoming Snowstorm Pax. Have a great Maine day, and I will keep you posted.